Welcome to Study Room. This video is on Parcel Packing Policy of India Post. It will be effective from 1/4/2022. Here we are focusing on insured parcel. Let us try to understand what it says about insured parcel. Lot of queries came after our first video on cloth materials not allowed as per new packing policy of India Post, especially related to insured. Hence, we try to cover regarding insured parcels in this video. As we already told, cloth packing is banned from 1/4/2022. This applies for all kinds of parcels including insured parcels. To be more specific, Department of Post Parcel Directorate, while issuing the new parcel packing policy, never speak about insured parcels. Insured parcels includes exam materials, valuables, sensitive materials, etc. Then what to do with this? In this regard, we tried and got clarification from lot of reliable source saying that for insured parcel also cloth packing should not be used. Then what? As per new packing policy, only cotton box, paper wrapping and plastic wrapping should be used for any kinds of parcel packing henceforth by the customers, including insured parcels. So, to clarify many of their doubts, I once again confirm that for insured also cloth packing should not be used. However, it is clarified by the reliable source that there is no change in booking and transmission process of insured parcels except the packing policy, that is cloth packing is banned. Other than that, all the process are same. So let us try to convey this message to all our customers, valuable customers, whoever using the cloth packing. Let them avoid cloth packing from 1/4/2022. Thank you, friends.